Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to review the two known storage software known as Microsoft OneDrive and Google Drive. I'll compare the similarities and I'll note the differences.
So I'm just going to show you where you can find Google Drive. So you can use whatever web browser you use. In this case I'm using Google Chrome. So you just want to click on any profile, and if you're using Google Chrome, you wanna go here, these 9 dots, and you want to click Google Apps. Just wait a few seconds. It says can't seem to load launcher right now, but they loaded. So here you can just scroll until you find Google Drive. There you can see Google Drive by the triangle symbol, and there you click. And there this takes you to Google Drive. It says welcome to Drive. Here you can find all your files that is on the Google Drive storage system. It is your drive, computers shared with me. That means all the people share documents and files with you over the platform as Google Drive. So now let me show you how to access OneDrive. So here in the open tab, you're going to search OneDrive, and you want to click. There is another way to find OneDrive. I'll show you that in a few seconds. Personal cloud storage, Microsoft OneDrive, and click. Click that. And you see there, it takes you to Microsoft Office because this is a Microsoft product. This is Microsoft OneDrive, and if you are signed in, you'll be able to access your OneDrive files and documents. Now I'm going to show you another way to get Microsoft OneDrive, or to access it. You can click here by A, and then you can search by M, and then you can see here's all the Microsoft apps. You can see it's not by M, it's by O. So here you can show it says OneDrive, and if you click on it, it will take you to the OneDrive app. Now just wait a few seconds. As you can see, it has loaded, and now you can say set up OneDrive, and then I'm just going to say sign in. It will take a few seconds to put your files in OneDrive to get them from any device. That will be explained later on in the video. And your OneDrive also for. So then this is how OneDrive is going to look. Say next. So use this folder. And then this is what you'll find on OneDrive. So that concludes part 1 of the video.
This is just how Google Drive looks on an Android phone. I'm just going through the UI and how everything looks. This is how Microsoft OneDrive looks on an Android device, and this is just the UI and everything.
A limit. Its max storage is 15 gig. However, it is possible to get up to 100 gig of storage if you upgrade it, and that obviously costs money. You can easily upload files and documents in Google Drive. It has many options. It says new folder, file upload, folder upload, and you can easily go to the many apps that is associated with Google, such as Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, and much more. Google Drawings, Google Maps, and you can even connect more apps with Google Drive. And here we're just going to focus on Google Drive. So as you can see here, I have uploaded many papers, many documents to Google Drive. It is so much better, and you can go by recent. It shows what files you have recently uploaded to Google Drive. You can go by stored, go by spam, trash, storage, and if I'm going to click on get more storage, as you can see, this is the plans that you can upgrade. You can upgrade to more storage. 17 Rand, 279 Rand. Obviously, if you're American, yours will be in dollars. 3 for all devices, but it works based on Windows devices. It offers only 5 gigabytes of free storage, but 15 gigabytes is available by upgrading. This is contradictory to Google Drive, which offers 15 gigabytes of free storage. It's possible to get up to 6 terabytes of storage through upgrading, such as Microsoft 365 subscriptions, and you can easily upload files on this platform. As you can see, it says get 100 gigabytes of storage free for a month, new subscribers only. This is the Microsoft 365, and if you want to buy it, you can say start the free trial, or if you want to buy it for your business or for personal use, you can say buy now. That's a very nice UI. Your account, you can customize, you can upgrade, you can change the language, you can ask any questions, and this is sort of the home page of OneDrive. Obviously it is an app, but the website is more easier to use. As you can see, I only use 8% of my total free storage.